Hello student, good morning. In my last video I had explained what are the elementary transformations and how to apply them, okay, to get the inverse of a matrix. Today we will apply elementary transformation to find out the inverse of a matrix. You see, I hope you remember your transformations. Your transformations are in 3 we can apply in row, known as row elementary transformation, and 3 we can apply in column, and they are known as column elementary transformation. So your first transformation is interchange of any two rows or columns, okay, and the second one is you can multiply any row or column by a non-zero constant, and the third transformation is you can multiply a row or column by a constant and then it can be added with the corresponding elements of another row or column. Those are your transformations. Now you see how to apply to get the inverse of a matrix. That also I had given you a method in my last video. So you see, let us apply it. Here the first question is number 1, exercise 3.4. Question is elementary transformation. Using elementary transformation, find the inverse of each of the following matrices if it exists. So number 1 is the first row, 1 minus 1 2 3. I'll do the solution by using both the transformation, by using row transformation and also by using column transformation. You see, when you start a problem by using row transformation, complete it by using row transformation. And if you start a problem with column transformation, then complete it by using column transformation. Don't mix up both of them. Okay, first you see, we will apply this transformation, row transformation, to solve this question. Your first step, you name the given matrix as A, say. You can give any name. I am putting here the name as A. Your matrix is 1 minus 1 2 3. I just consider it as A. In case of row transformation, you have to first write down A is equal to IA. Okay. And in case of column transformation, you have to write down A is equal to AI. I am going to use here row transformation. So I am writing here A is equal to IA. Then you put the value of A and I on the right hand side, keeping the value of A on the right side as it is. So I am substituting the value of A here. It is 1 minus 1 2 3, and I will be matrix of order 2 by 2. So it is 1 0 0 1, and into A. This A you keep it as it is. Then you have to apply, I am going to apply here row transformation as I told you earlier. So now you have to apply elementary transformation on this matrix A on the left hand side and I on the right hand side. And you see, you try to convert this A on the left side to I. Immediately when I apply the same transformation on the right hand side I, it will convert to a new matrix B. And it will be in the form I is equal to BA. Okay. And then we call B is the inverse of A, because we know by definition of inverse function, invertible matrix, we can write down it as AB is equal to BA is equal to I, then B is called the inverse of A, or A is called the inverse of B. So I just substitute it. Your first step for transformation is what? You have to first make A11 is equal to 1. A11 means the element present in first row, first column is equal to 1. That means, or you can say like this, first diagonal element is equal to 1. You see here it is already 1. So you can skip that step. That means that step is done. Okay. So I suppose this is your first step. It's completed. Then I have to go to the second step. Second step for the second order matrix is what? You have to make this 2 is equal to 0. That means the element present on the first column, those you have to make it 0. Using the first row, with the help of first row. Okay, so this is present in row 2. Okay, so you have to change row 2 by using what? With the help of row 1. So you have to write down the transformation first. R2 is replaced by R2. Then you see, as here we have 2, so multiply the first row by 2, and this is positive. So to get 0, we have to make it negative, subtract it. So our operation is R2 minus 2R1. মই আকৌ এবাৰ কৈছো শুনা, মই কি কৰিব লাগিব, এটো আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্টে কনভার্ট কৰিব লাগিব, সেই কাৰণে মই এটো 0 বনাব লাগিব। ফার্স্ট এলিমেন্ট 2, ফার্স্ট ৰোৰ ফার্স্ট এলিমেন্ট 2 তোমালকে 1 বনোৱাৰ পিছত ফাৰ্ষ্ট কলমৰ ৰিমেইনিং এলিমেণ্টবোৰ 0 বনাব লাগিব গতিকে এটো হল আমাৰ 2 এটো 0 বনাবৰ কাৰণে বিকজ 1 0 ইজ দ্য ফৰ্ম আইডেন্টিটি মেট্ৰিক্সটো 0 হ'ব লাগে তো এটো 2 আছে আৰু এটো ৰ'টোত প্ৰেজেন্ট আছে গতিকে তুমি উইথ দ্য হেল্প অফ ৰ' 1 চেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগিব সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মেশ্যনটো কোনটো হ'ব থাৰ্ডটো হ'ব আৰু থাৰ্ড ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মেশ্যন ইজ ri is replaced by ri plus krj so your ri is r2 so r2 is replaced by what r2 and this is r1 obviously we have to take the help of r1 আৰু ইয়াতে 2 আছে কাৰণে r1 ক 2 দি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰা সেইকাৰণে 2 দি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিলো আৰু ইয়াতে পজিটিভ আছে কাৰণে মাইনাছ কৰি দিলো হল এটা এই অপাৰেশনটো তুমি থ্ৰুআউট দিস হোল সেকেন্ড ro you apply keep the first row as it is 1 minus 1 1 0 I'm writing the first row as it is now I'm going to apply this transformation in the second row here I'm writing here the second row you see first r2 this is r2 value 2301 2301 2 r1 I have to multiply r1 by 2 the elements become 4602 okay so here you see r1 you have to multiply by 2 so it becomes 2 minus 2 20 2 minus 2 20 then you have to subtract them r2 পৰা এটো মাইনাস কৰিব লাগে এটো পৰা এটো মাইনাস কৰি দিয়া 2 minus 2 will give you 0 this is minus subtracted okay the first element is 0 then 3 minus minus 2 it is 5 so this is 5 0 minus 2 it's minus 2 1 minus 0 it's 1 okay so we have completed this operation so after the next third step your third step is what you have to make it 1 eto tumi 1 banabo lage and this one you cannot take the help of row 1 obviously with the help of row 2 you have to make it 1 এটা তোমালকে সো জিটু এলিমেন্টৰ পজিশনটো যদি 5 থাকে সো obviously যদি তুমি ৰেচিপ্ৰকেল দি ডিভাইড কৰি দিয়া আৰু ৰেচিপ্ৰকেল দি যদি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰি দিয়া হা এই নাম্বাৰটো দি ডিভাইড কৰা বা ৰেচিপ্ৰকেল দি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰা তুমি 1 পাবাই সেই কাৰণ আমি কৰো কি কৰিম r2 টোক মই 5 ৰে ডিভাইড কৰি দিম or you can say like this r2 is multiplied by 1 by 5 that is the second transformation is used first row keep as it is 1 minus 1 0 then r2 I have just subdivided by 5 so 0 by 5 is 0 5 by 5 is 1 minus 2 by 5 is this one 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 so I have done it is 1 the next step after making the a to 2 position that is second diagonal element equal to 1 you have to make 0 the remaining position of the second column এটা তোমাৰ এটা এলিমেন্ট আছে -1 to তুমি 0 বনাব লাগিব এটা -1 ক 0 বনাব লাগিব with the help of r2 যেটো 1 বনালা তাৰ হেল্পত তুমি 0 বনাব লাগিব গতিকে r2 প্ৰেজেন্ট আছে with the help of তুমি r1 ত প্ৰেজেন্ট আছে with the help of r2 তুমি 0 বনাব লাগিব সেই কাৰণে তুমি কি কৰিবা থাৰ্ড ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মেশন ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব that is what r1 is replaced by r1 plus r2 কাৰণ এটা নেগেটিভ আছে গতিকে r2 ক তুমি 1 দি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিব লাগিব নেগেটিভ আছে কাৰণে প্লাস কৰিলা hope you understand it মই এলিমেন্ট বোৰ লিখি ললো চাচোন r1 টো আছিল গতিকে r1 ত আছে 1 minus 1 1 0 1 minus 1 1 0 then r2 we have to write what is your r2 r2 is your r2 is what 0 1 minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 this one then you have to add them add korile ki paba 1 plus 0 is 1 okay so 1 plus 0 is 1 r1 ot 1 e thaki gol minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 this is 0 then 1 minus 2 by 3 is what 3 by 5 this is 3 by 5 0 minus 1 by 5 is equal to what 0 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 now you see it is convert to I immediately it is changed to a new matrix B so this can be written as I is equal to BI so what is the inverse of this I it's equal to B A inverse is B which is this matrix so this complete the solution of the first question now let us do the same question by using column transformation ekata question e moi tumalok column transformation diu kori dekhai disu because you see you can prefer any one of them transformation row koriba para column koriba para tumalok nijor ichha ha so tumaloke kinu mix no koriba hetu tumalokor main important kotha so here you see I'm going to use the column transformation this is your first matrix A as I told you you have to write down A is equal to AI not IE in this case so put value of A on the left side and I on the right side keep the A on right side as it is tumaloke left hand side ot thoka A tumi value to bohai dia আর রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডত থকা I ভ্যালুটো বহুয়া কিন্তু A টো as it is রাখিবা এবাৰ আমি কলম ট্ৰান্সফৰমেশন কৰিম so first this position is same a11 position is equal to 1 so you don't have to do anything because it is already 1 eto hoy gol first step to second step to ki tumi jeta column transformation kora row element bur 0 koribo lagibo to a2 1 banwar pisot moi a2 0 koribo lagibo this is present in column 2, this one. I'm going to use column transformation. Column 2 present ase. So column 2 you have to replace it by using column 1. Hekane moi ki likhilu column 2 is replaced by column 2. Yate 1 di multiply koribo lagibo, 1 di multiply to nilikhileo hoy 1 into column 1. So let us do it now. Column A to koribo lagibo aru ifador second column to koribo lagibo. -1 plus 1 is 0, 3 plus 2 is 5, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is completed. First, it was 0 hoy gol. After that, you have to make it 1 with the help of column 2 itself. You cannot take the help of column 1 now. তুমি মানে আগৰ ফালে যাব নোৱাৰাৰ পিছলে যাব পাৰা যদি থাকে. So I have to divide 5 by 5. So column 2 is replaced by C2 by 5. So column 2. Column 1, this one and this one as it is. First মই দুটা লিখি ললো. এটো মই 5 divide কৰিলো. 0 by 5 is 5. 5 by 1, 5 is 1. 1 by 1 and 0, keep it as it is. 1 by 5 and 1 by 5. This is done. After this, you have to make it 0. Remaining element of the next row. Column korte row 0 koriba lagibo. Gotike A to 0 keneke koriba. You have to make it 0. It is present in column 1 with the help of column 2. Alop confused hoise jodi sai leba. Duta ekalogote nopohiba eta atake koriba. So column 1 ot ase. Gotike column 1 likhilu. Column 1 likhile yato column 1 likhiba lagibo. You have to replace with the help of column 2. Hekane eta column 2 likhilu. Yate 2 ase karone eta 2d multiply korilu aru yate plus ase karone minus korilu. So this is your operation now. Column 1 replaced by column 1 minus 2 column 2. Column 1 minus 2 into column 2. It will be equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 into 1. That is again 0. Again yate kora. 1 minus 2 into 5. 2 into 1 by 5. 1 minus 2 into 1 by 5. This calculation is done. It is 3 by 5. This one is done. Etu ki koribo lagibo 0 minus 2 by 5. So this is minus 2 by 5. Keep it as it is. So it is already converted to the form 1001. So this is your B. Okay. So I have written it like this. I is equal to AB. So what is your inverse? A inverse is B, which is this one. You see, you have got the same answer by using both the transformation. So you can prefer any one of them. মই তোমালোকক বুজিবৰ কাৰণে দুইটা কৰি দিছো. তোমালোকে যেটো মন যায় হেতু কৰিবা আৰু মন কৰিবা বাৰে বাৰে মই একটা কথা কৈছো, don't mix up both the transformation together. Again, I am giving one more question, similar type of question. By using row transformation, I'll do it. Okay. So your question number 9 I had done. Remaining solutions of 3.4 I will give in the description box. You can take from there. মই দুটামান solution এটা কৈ দিছো এক ধৰণৰ মেথডে হেকানে বাৰে বাৰে গুটেবোৰ কৈ থকা নাই আৰু I'll not say all these things, but the solutions I'll give in the description box. You can take from there. So you first, I'm going to use row transformation. You first decided you are going to use row transformation or column transformation. Question দিয়া থাকিলে তো হেতুই কৰিব লাগিব, একো নিদিলে তোমালকে নিজৰ পৰা ডিসাইড কৰি লবা. So I'm writing A is equal to IA. Put the value of A. This one I is 1001. I'm going to use column transformation. Oh sorry, row transformation. So moi eta first element to 1 banabo lagibo. Eta A to 1 banabo lagile you can use any one of the transformation. Interchange koribo para, divide koribo para, second transformation, third transformation use koribo para. I'm going to use here third transformation because A2 plus 3 minus 2 will gives you 1. So R1 is replaced by what? R1 minus R2. This is done. R1 minus R2 directly subtract kora. 3 minus 2 is 1, 10 minus 7 is 3, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus minus 1 is minus 1. Keep this as it is. Duta thakile, if you have second order matrix, then you cannot apply more than one transformation at the same time. But if you have third order matrix, then at the same step you can do two transformation. So this is completed. After this, your aim is to make the element present in the first column equal to 0. Row transformation korile column 0 banaba, column transformation korile row 0 banaba. This is present in row 2. Row 2 you have to replace with the help of row 1. So yate moi row 2 likhilu, row 2 to likhiboi lagibo, yate row 1 or help korim. 2 ase gotike 2d multiply korim, plus ase karone minus korim. So minus 2. First write down the operation, then do the calculation. Eta moi ekhini calculation korim sailwa. 2 minus 2 into 1, that is 0. 7 minus 2 into 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 0 minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. 1 minus, it is what? 1 minus minus 2 into 1, that is minus minus a plus. 1 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. That is done. After this, you have to make it 1. It is already 1. So you can skip that step. The next, you have to make it 0 with the help of row 2. So it is it is present in what? Row 1. रो 1 ৰিপ্লেস কৰিব লাগিব উইথ দ্য হেল্প অফ रो 2 তো থাৰ্ড ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মেশ্যন হ'ব তাৰমানে रो 1 লিখোতে এটা रो 1 লিখিবই লাগিব এটা 3 আছে কাৰণে 3 দি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰা প্লাস আছে কাৰণে মাইনাস কৰা প্লাস থাকিলে মাইনাস কৰিবা মাইনাস থাকিলে প্লাস কৰিবা so it is what r1 minus 3r2 r1 minus 3r2 it is not change in that case তোমালকে স্টেপবোৰ ফলো কৰিবা দেন তোমাল তেতিয়া ফোৰ্থ অৰ্ডাৰ এটা ম্যাক্সিমাম 4টা ষ্টেপত আৰু সিক্সথ অৰ্ডাৰ থাৰ্ড অৰ্ডাৰ এটা 6টা ষ্টেপত আনসাৰ পাবা 3 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 0 so 3 minus 3 is 0 1 minus 3 into 2 minus a plus 6 1 plus 6 is 7 minus 1 minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 1 minus 9 is what minus 10 so you see it is converted to I is equal to BA form so inverse is equal to this B that is 7 minus 10 minus 2 0 okay one more question I had given you as I told you earlier that if you apply the transformation and at certain step suppose all the element of a particular row or column become 0 then at that step you can say that the inverse of the matrix does not exist so you see this is your again another example A is equal to I form with the value of A and I first I have to make it 1 you cannot take the help of this one right hekarne ami ki korilu divide kori dilu 2 by 2 to ekuna 2 di divide korile 1 pame so r1 divided by 2 it become 2 by 2 is 1 1 by 2 half 1 by 2 0 by 2 okay keep this row 2 as it is now we have to make it 0 4 you have to make it 0 with the help of row 1 tumalke moi niyom to sai loba je tumalkok explain kori disilu rule I had given in the last video so see that there you will understand it better and practice some of the question yourself r2 you have to take the help of r1 so r2 is replaced by r2 4 ase 4 di multiply kora plus ase minus kora r2 minus 4 r1 4 minus 4 is 0 2 minus 4 into half that is what you see the calculation 2 minus 4 into half 2 to cancel out 2 minus 2 will be 0 so this become again 0 similarly do it 0 minus 4 into half minus 2 1 minus 4 into half 1 so as this is 0 so you can write down the conclusion inverse does not exist so you write down the conclusion we have all zeros in the second row of the left hand side matrix this one left hand side matrix of the above matrix equation therefore A inverse does not exist so 0 pale ami aru koribo nwari maru so inverse does not exist that is your solution hope you understand how to do the second order transformation let us proceed to now third order transformation third order solution eta kori du tumalok ebar one I will do by using row transformation and one I will do by using column transformation I'm going to the question number 16 of exercise 3.4 so this is your question I'm going to use row transformation karone moi A is equal to I likhilu put the value of A and I is what in this case 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A then your aim is to convert to I and immediately this will change to B I is equal to BA form and then that B is the inverse of the given matrix so first aim you have to make this is 1 it is already 1 malko first step to hoy gol second step you can do 0 and 0 here মই যে কৈছিলো ফার্স্ট রো ট্রান্সফরমেশন কৰিলে ফার্স্ট কলম 0 বনাবা গতিকে ফার্স্ট কলমৰ বাকি এলিমেন্ট কিটা হৈছে -3 আৰু 3 2 এই দুটা 0 বনাম এইটো 0 বনাবলে কি কৰিব লাগিব উইথ দা হেল্প অফ কাৰ ল'ব লাগিব ৰো 1 ৰ হেল্প ল'ব লাগিব সো ইট ইজ প্ৰেজেন্ট ইন ৰো 2 रो 1 ৰ হেল্প ল মানে থাৰ্ড ট্ৰান্সফৰমেশন ল'ব লাগিব रो 2 ইজ ৰিপ্লেসড বাই रो 2 আৰু ইয়াতে কি আছে 3 আছে গতিকে 3 रो 1 আৰু মাইনাস আছে কাৰণে প্লাস সো দিস ইজ হোৱাট रो 2 ইজ ৰিপ্লেসড বাই रो 2 plus 3 r1 first do the write down the operation so after it let us write down what are the operation you have to apply here in the third row with the help of row 1 so third row 3 korim aru row 1 or help lom 2 ase karone 2 di multiply korim plus ase karone minus korim agor minus asile karone plus korisilu eti ami a operation to korim this operation throughout the whole row eta gute row to ami apply korim and then the next operation throughout the whole third row efaleo okay so first row as it is write down first etu likhilwa then apply the second row transformation throughout the whole second row so amar ki asile r2 plus 3r1 r2 ase plus 3r1 minus 3 plus 3 is 0 0 plus 3 into 3 0 plus 9 is 9 minus 5 plus 3 to the minus 6 yate ki hobo tumalkor minus 5 minus 6 that is equal to minus 11 next go to this element 0 plus 3 into 1 is 3 1 plus 3 into 0 is 0 1 plus 0 is 1 0 plus 3 into 0 is 0 second row is completed now go to third row operation to mon kora side ot lagile likhi loba R3 replaced by R3 minus 2 R1. R3 is 3, A2 loba. 2 minus 2 will be 0. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 0 minus a plus 4 is 4. 0 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0. 1 this is 1. Okay, so this is completed. Next you have to do what? This is equal to 1. Divide to pabai kintu moi aru eta step out koribo paru. You cannot take the help of row 1. You can take the help of row 2 or row 3. Eta tumalke row 1 or help lobo nwara aru. Agole jabo nwara. Moi agote koisu ebar. To eta tumi etu divide korile to pabai 9 by 9 is 1, but that will become fraction. Hekane moi parile hetu avoid koru. Ki korisu moi? I'll just divide it by multiply it by 8 and subtract. Okay, so R2 I'll take the help of row 3. Row 2 replaced by row 3 with the help of row 3. So row 2 we have to replace with the help of row 3. Ki korim? 8 di multiply korim karon 1 lage. 8 di korilu 9 minus 8 will be equal to 1. So add koridum. Minus 2 ase minus ekle plus koriba. So row 2 to korisa. He karone baki row 1 to 8 to gute to likhi lolu first ate. Tar pisot moi 8 row 3 to likhi lolu. Then I will do the operation in the middle step. R2 plus 8 R3. 0 plus 8 into 0 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. Minus 11 and etu hoy gol kiman plus 32. It is calculation kori dekhai disu. 8 into 32 minus 11 32 is 21. Now go to this one. 3 plus minus 16. 3 minus 16 is minus 13. 1 plus 8 into 0 is 1. 0 plus 8 into 1 is 8. So this is completed. Then the next step, tumalke row 2 to 0 korila 1 korila ebar row for second column or element 2 a2 aru a2 0 banabo lagibo. Etu row 1 present ase, etu row 3 present ase. Gotike row 1 likhilu aru etu hol row 3. Row 1 car help ot lobo lagibo. 1 banwa jak 1 banaisile hetu row help lobo lage. To row 2 element to 1 banaisile hekan row 2 help ot kora. R1 we have to take the help of R2. 3 ase karone 3d multiply korilu plus ase karone minus korilu. Ebar R3 to koribo with the help of R2. Gotike R3 with the help of R2. 1d multiply kora. 1d likha ni likha ekei ase. Minus ase karone plus kori dia. So a operation to likhi lolu. Ite ami calculation khini korim. The calculation khini swa. Row 1 minus 3 R2. Row 1 minus 3 R2. It's 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Minus 2 plus minus 63. That is minus 65. 0 minus a plus bo 39. 1 plus 39 is 40. 0 plus 3 into R2. So 3 minus. So the minus 3. 0 minus 24. That is minus 24. Then I have to go to row 3. Row 3 plus row 2. 0 plus 0 is 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 4 plus 21 is 25. This is minus 2 minus 13 is minus 15. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then I have to make it 1. A2. A3 3. Diagonal element about 1 banaba. Z2 row 1 banwa. Tar bake column kita ko pisot 0 koriba. 25 divide korilu. Etu ami result to palu. Row 1 and row 2 to eke rakhisu. And I divide it by 25. I'll get this step. Okay. After the next step. 1 banatu iman tan nohoy. Tar pisot to okon mon koribo lagia kotha. Eta swab hal dore. A2 koribo lagibo. You have to make row 1 0 with the help of row 3. Row 2 0 with the help of row 3. So row 1 with the help of row 3. Row 2 with the help of row 3. Row 1 ase 65 ase. So row 3 65 di multiply korim. Minus ase karone plus korilu. 21 ase gotike 21 di multiply korim. Plus ase karone minus korim. Ita operation to kori jwa. Ekhini change nohoy ekhadarante. 1 plus 65 into 0 1. 0 plus 65 into what? R1 plus 3 R. 0 plus 63 is 0. Minus 65 plus 65 is 0. Minus 40. Etu moi likhi dekhaisu. 65 into minus 3 by 2. Etu swa. 65 into minus 3 by 2. 5 5 cancel goal. 13 hobo. 13 3s are minus 39. 40 minus 39 is equal to 1. So etu hoy gol tumalkor 1. Next. Minus 3 into 65 into R3. Minus 3 into 65 into R3 calculation korile ami pam minus 2 by 5. So this is done. Then minus 24 into this one. 65 into R3. Katakati jabo cancel korile tumalke etu paba minus 3 by 5. This is done. And R2 also we have to do the same way. R2 R3. So etu 0 hobo 0 plus something will to 0 plus something into 1 plus something into 0 will be equal to 0. So eta tumi a2 koribo lagibo. 20 R2 R2 minus R1. R2 21 21 minus 21 is 21 minus 20 1 will be equal to 0. Ebar etu kora minus 13 minus 21 into 3 by 5 লিখি চাবা লাগিলে কৰি তো তোমালোকে ক্যালকুলেশন কৰিলে পাবা এবাৰ কিমান minus 2 by 5 সিমিলাৰলি এখিনি ক্যালকুলেশন কৰি আমি পাই গলো ক্যালকুলেশন তুমি লিখি দেখুৱা নাই আৰু স্পেস নহল কাৰণে তো তোমালোকে এটো দেখিলা I হৈ গল this is in new matrix B into A so inverse is equal to this matrix and this completed. Next I'll do one more question, that is question number 15. This one I had done by using column transformation. তোমালোকক মই Google Classত column row transformation দি কৰি দেখাই দিছিলো হেকান column transformation দি কৰিছো column transformation কৰিছো so I am writing A as IA, put the value of A and I and keep it as it is. Column transformation di koile actually moi etu IA likhat ke AI likhile better asil eko problem na hoy conventionally likhu aru to eta tumalkor etu ki hol etu tumalkor prothomote column transformation korim column 2 aru column 3 interchange korilu karon etu pora etu minus kore next step pam so column 2 to moi yat likhidilu column 3 to yat likhidilu eke dhorone iaru column 3 to yat likhiba lagibo 100 yat ahi gol eta moi etu pra jodi etu minus kore etu 1 hoy jabo so column 1 is replaced by column 1 minus column 3 column 1 minus column 3 3 minus 2 is 1 3 minus 2 is 1 then 2 minus 3 is minus 1 yato kora 0 minus 1 is minus 1 0 minus 0 is 0 1 minus 0 is 1 okay this is done etu 1 hoy gol eta tumi ki kobe lagibo next a2 element 0 a2 element column ot korte row 0 koribo lagibo so row 0 korte column 2 koribo lagibo with the help of column 1 column 2 ta set 3 gotike 3 di multiply kora minus আছে কারণে প্লাস করা এটো অপারেশন এবাৰ এটো কৰিব পাৰিবা column 3 আছে column 3 with the help of column 1 column 3 আৰু column 1 লিখি ললো তাছত এটা 2 আছে কাৰণে column 1 ক 2 দি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিলো প্লাস আছে কাৰণে মাইনাস কৰিলো do the operations বোৰ কৰিলে আমি কি পাম চাও প্ৰথমতে column 2 টো কমপ্লিট কৰি লও এটো -3 plus 3 is 0 2 into plus 3 into 1 is 5 minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 হল এফালে এটো কমপ্লিট কৰি লোৱা প্ৰথমতে column 2 লিখি লবা 0 plus minus 3 is minus 3 1 plus 0 is 0 1 plus 3 into 1 is 3 then column 3 replace kora column 3 ase tumalkor c3 minus 2 into c1 so 2 minus 2 is 0 2 minus 2 is 0 3 minus minus plus it's 5 1 minus minus 2 it's 3 0 minus this is 0 0 minus 2 is minus 2 this is done after this you have to make it 1 and it to 1 banaba pariba you cannot take the help of row 1 you can take the help of row 2 column 2 or column 3 to help loboi noaru hekane column 2 moi ki korilu c2 to divide korilu through the whole column etu column 1 aru column 3 as it is lakilu yato eke yare column 2 aru yar column 2 moi ki korim 5 to divide korilu 0 1 minus 1 minus 3 by 5 1 by 5 and 3 by 5 this is done after getting this you have to make this element is equal to what you have to make now column 1 you have replaced so after getting 5 I have to make just a minute okay I have made this one is equal to 1 so I have to make the row this one is equal to 0 now it is present in column 1 with the help of column 2 column 1 minus column 2 koidle hoy gol column 1 minus column 2 column 1 only I will replace so column 2 and column 3 as it is likhilwa column 1 minus column 2 is 1 1 minus 1 is 0 minus 1 minus 1 is 0 this also 1 minus minus plus hoy jabo minus 2 by 5 0 minus this one is minus 1 by 5 this minus this equal to 2 by 5 hol etu hoy goise next to me etu 1 banwa ako tumi 5 to 2 di 5 to 1 di divide kori dia etu step pai gola column 3 ase godike column 3 column 1 and column 2 as it is eke rakha yate tumi 5 di divide kora yato 5 di divide kora yato 1 pai gola aru 3 by 5 0 0 by 5 likhisu minus 2 by 5 এটা মই এটু পেজত থাই নাই কিকাৰণে মই এই ষ্টেপটো আৰু এবাৰ নেক্সট ষ্টেপ পেজত লিখি লৈছো তোমালোকে এনেকে পেজ চেঞ্জ কৰি আকৌ এবাৰ লিখি লবা কাৰণ ইয়াৰ পৰা কৰি পেজটো উল্টাই কৰিব লাগিলে ক্যালকুলেশন গণ্ডগোল হৈ যায় তো সেই কাৰণে মই এই ষ্টেপটো আকৌ এবাৰ লিখি লৈছো লৈ এবাৰ মোৰ কি কাম হ'ব I have to make this all element of the third row 0 এটো 0 আছে এটো এড কৰি দিলে হৈ গল সো এই কাৰণে column 2 plus column 3 কৰি দিলো এটো as it is ৰাখিলো এটো as it is ৰাখিলো এটো একে ৰাখি দিছো এটো একে হল এটা add কৰি দিলো 0 plus 0 is 0 1 plus 0 is 1 minus 1 plus 1 is 0 এটোতে column 2 আৰু column 3 কৰিছো গতিকে এটা add কৰা it will be 0 এটো হৈ গল 1 by 5 এটো হৈ গল কিমান 1 by 5 and it is in the form I is equal to BA form so A inverse is equal to what this matrix B okay so here hope you understand the procedure how to do the elementary transformation row and a column both I had given you example and remaining question of exercise 3.4 I just give the images or the solutions in the description box you can see from there okay thank you